we are proud to say that we are the fastest growing home elevator company. And I think Elite and Nibhav is extremely proud to have each and every one handpicked to be in this organization. Introducing the greatest creation of Nibhav, Series 4 Standard and Max. We can proudly say that it's the world's safest home elevator. Introducing the world's first AI-enabled home elevator by Nibhav Series 4 Pro and Series 4 Pro Max. Introducing Elite Elevator X300, the X300 Plus. We made the most beautiful looking, the smartest home elevator you could buy. Introducing Virtual Showroom.
It was Asia's largest factory.
Such a large area, 1 lakh square feet.
It's unbelievable.
This lift has completed 1 lakh trips without a glitch, without a callback, without any need of repair.
The lift blends in very well with the house.
It's small, it's compact, it's color coded.
We just loved that it was a more modern look.
It is exactly what I need.
There's a lot of beautiful design elements to our home, but trust me when I tell you that this home lift takes it to the top.
It's up and running.
Wonderful. And I would recommend Nibhav Elevator.
So this is my dream bike and dream come true.
This is my first car in my family. In no other company we can't get this kind of incentives or any this kind of structure.
It's very important to me because it just shows that the hard work that I've put in,
it makes you want to be there again every month.
And this actually inspired.
Nibhav introduce பண்ணிருக்க newer series lift இதுதான்.
Maximum ఇవన్నీ నేను ఫారిన్ కంట్రీస్ వీడియోస్ లోనే ఎక్కువ చూసాను.
ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నాను లిఫ్ట్ లో కూడా కలర్ ఆప్షన్స్, అది కూడా మనమే చూస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అని.
I think this is going to be interesting. More lift ನನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ.
This Nibhav lift is actually very compact, which I thought was super cool.